The best decision of the last couple of days, it was WD40. WD40 on the wheels. It's like I'm stepping, I'm just kicking once, and I'm going. It's amazing. Let's see if we can see a face. Started to rain, which is awesome. Feels awesome. It's just kind of changed my plans a little bit. I didn't really have a plan, to be honest. but I was having a great time, and then the rain started to change that a little. I was still having a great time, to be honest. The drizzle is feeling great, but I have a couple devices here in my backpack that are not very water friendly, so I gotta find refuge somewhere. I was able to find some safe refuge, and now I'm just waiting. The weather app saying it's very optimist. Like this rain, it came under a 50% chance. And then after this, about a half an hour from now, it's going to be down to 40, then 30. So that's a lot of optimism. Let's see. And other than that, I'm just feeling like going for ice cream. I don't know, out of the sudden feel this crave for like ice cream or chocolate ice cream mixer, you know.
For the rest, for you to see us.
You're calling them. Keep calling
I'm calling them. We're getting another.
All the colors. That was fun. I was gonna go home when it started raining and check it out. I ended up dancing and doing a lot of fun stuff. Huh?